Quasars. The worst places in our universe are the quintuple quasars, or the real name is Quasar Fields. These fields are built by galactic leagues of madness, the nothing, the quasar worlds. They are the worst kind in our universe, at our level. You see, they build these quasars with planets and or stars, and it takes many stars and or many planets to build one quasar. Now, this should bring great fear to you. Why? Because these vicious worlds of madness, which are called quasar worlds, they go to planets and or stars with these galactic league ships and steal the planets and stars without any regard for life, killing everyone and everything while abstracting all the vital places from the planets or stars, and then they take the planet or the star while it is still living and breathing, and then they use that star and or planet to build their quasars with the pillaged stars or planets. As I'm writing this, it angers me, my apologies. This is against life itself, against everything we stand for, as a world, as a universe. When I say we need to become aware of these things here on our planet and in our universe, and quit thinking like complete idiots and holding back a little thing like full disclosure when we should know these things already, preparing for worse, joining ranks with the other planes and forcing us, the human race, to wake up, by learning the understanding of our planet and our universe and begin living again among the real worlds here and in our universe. Living a real life and not your little material insignificant life, that gives little meaning to us. So we can always be prepared with the unity of our other planes of life, being ready to join to combat against such destructive forces that are out in our universe. For example, and this should hit home, by examining our damaged solar system. First, look at the asteroid belt on the other side of Mars. It used to be a planet. What happened? Second, Mars had life like Earth, meaning trees, animals, humans, lakes, rivers, an atmosphere. What happened? Third, who sunk Atlantis and the land of Mu, or what happened to the Lemurians? Our scientists and our mathematicians and historians can only guess about things without facts. The asteroid belt on the other side of Mars is physical proof that something happens. It stares us right in our faces, especially knowing that it used to be a planet. Now, I am telling you, in time of the sinking of Atlantis, this is what happened. Unfortunately, we seem to be the children left in the dark, intentionally. Now, in the time of the sinking of Atlantis, a large convoy of 30 to 40 ships came into our solar system. Its mission was to take the 4 smaller planets from our solar system, including their vital places, and in that convoy, there were 3 ships built to take the living and breathing planets out of their sockets without killing the planet and house them in the housing their vital places. The convoy came to the first planet, which is now an asteroid belt on the other side of Mars, and began its destruction, killing everyone and everything, stealing its vital places, and then removing the planet from its socket, leaving a debris field which we see as an asteroid belt. Then they decided to split up the convoy, sending one of those 3 ships to each of the remaining planets, Mars, Venus, and Earth. I am sure they got to Mars first and was killing everyone, wiping them out, an awful war, and taking the vital places like its atmosphere, its cores, and its water cores. Mars almost became an asteroid belt. In the meantime, they hit the Earth, killing the Atlanteans and the people of Mu, or the Lemurians. They rip a vital place right out of the Pacific Ocean, leaving the Mariana Trench, and in the killing of the Atlanteans, they sunk Atlantis. Here is the greatness of Earth. Out from the deep depths of Earth, from the other planes, came a world of greatness greater than anyone has ever seen. I am assuming it was Zeus and his kind from the legends of Greece. They fought back against this invasion and did prevail and stop the destruction of Earth, the destruction of Mars, and Venus. Zeus and his kind fought them until they left, killing many of them. When you look at the destruction of our solar system of the 4 planets, you now can realize that it was that close, in wiping us out. In absolute truth, scary stuff. We have many planes of our planet that are greater than we are. Their integrity, pureness, and knowledge are far beyond where we stand. We can stop pretending that we are smart and face the truth about our ignorance and about not knowing. Unfortunately, the system of life that governs us created our plane to be a closed plane. It was set up intentionally at the time for a real purpose and a real meaning, keeping us in the dark, which grows our realness or something. Whatever it was, we have outgrown it. Now it is true sadness. Until next time.